Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to change the look of your invoices in Odoo. First, log in to your Odoo account. Once inside, on the upper left corner, click on this arrow. Now, go to Settings. Once inside the General Settings, scroll down until you're in the Companies section. Here you can go ahead and configure your document layout, so click on it. Now you can change your invoice. For here, you can select a layout like light, boxed, bold, stripped, bubble, wave, or folder. Just choose one based on your liking. After that, you can also choose the look of your background from blank, demo logo, or custom. Now you can also change the font of the text. After that, you can also upload a logo of your company or the logo of your invoice. Just click on this edit button. Then go ahead and upload your logo. And now you can see it in here. After that, you can also choose a color for your invoice. Just choose one based on your liking. Then you can also change your address, add a tagline, and also the footer of it. You can also change the paper format based on what you need. Once done, you can just go ahead and continue. And that's it. Your invoice look is now changed based to your liking. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.